Before the opening bell, U.S. indices managed to close higher on Tuesday. This led in part by tech hardware and equipment, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and software and services sectors, all trading on the upside. Meanwhile, on the economic docket, factory orders rising 1.8% month over month for December, therefore beating expectations. And durable goods orders, they too increased 2.4% quarter over quarter. This all as 50% of S&P 500 constituents traded flat to higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, the Merck announced its intention to spin off products representing total sales of approximately $6.5 billion in 2020. The transaction, expected to be completed in the first half of 2021, should enable Merck to achieve more than $1.5 billion in operating efficiencies by 2024. Walt Disney reported first quarter adjusted EPS of $1.53, exceeding expectations but down from $1.84 a year ago on revenue of $20.9 billion, while Ford unveiled fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 12 cents, below expectations and down from 30 cents a year ago. Now, in terms of expectations today on the economic docket due out, we have Qualcomm, General Motors, MetLife, Coty, and Humana all expected to release their figures. While on the economic docket before the opening bell, we do have MBA mortgage applications. We also have ADP private payrolls figures. And just after the opening bell, we have market services PMI reads, as well as ISM non-manufacturing data. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the upside prevail, while the Nasdaq, that sees further advance, and that's in focus. The relative strength index is bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 93.65 are favored with targets at 94.98 and 95.70 in extension, while the Dow Jones, that sees further advance.